For a double overhand knot, you need a fairly decent length of rope. You take the working end, you're going to go over the main line, like so. You're then going to go under the main line, back over a second time, under a third time, no, under a second time. So you've got that kind of arrangement. You're then just going to pull the working end and everything together, and there you go. One knot. That's your stopper knot done, and you can face it like that. Now, the important thing about this knot is it's not very good on thick line like this. It's better to use it on a thinner line. Otherwise, you can use it on thicker, but you've just got to massage it together to make it tight yourself. It won't naturally pull quite tight as it will like on a thin line.